I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
We're on a mission from God.
Get in the hole! I am a human being!
I am your father.
Here's Johnny!
No wire hangers ever!
And in death media.
Snakes. Why do you have to be snakes?
All those moments will be lost in time.
Welcome to Golden Tea Golf. Hi, I'm Pat Summerall, and with me is Peter Jacobson. Peter?
Pat, we're sure to see some great golf today.
You'll keep your eye out, kid.
Say hello to my little friend!
Go ahead.
We're ready to start.
He slimed me.
Oh, no more Yankee, my wanky.
I'll be back.
These guys were 11.
I got thrown out of a window, man!
Wax on, wax off.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't
He's in good position.
Barry Manilow know the new greatest wardrobe?
Get away from her, you bitch!
Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
I feel the need for speed.
Be afraid.
Nobody wants me.
I'm not gonna be ignored.
The lack of better word is good.
What is your major malfunction, numbnuts? Good morning, Vietnam!
Come over this.
Snap out of it.
Sergeant Pillows?
I ain't got time to breathe.
My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
Man, that ball got out of here in a hurry.
Sponsors never crash.
Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play?
Me.
Bend over and I'll show you. Captain, my captain.
You have chosen.
Get my heart, Jimmy.
I'll have what she's had. I'm the Now funny how? I mean funny like a clown and a loser.
You guys give up? Or you thirsty for me?
It's not a tumor.
You can't handle the truth!
You bark all day. I get older.
What if there were no...
Killing you, Small.
To Jurassic Park.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
Run, Forrest, run!
Does he look like a bitch? Hakuna Matata.
Get busy living or get busy dying.
Houston, we have a problem.
Better to pick.
What's in the box?
And beyond!
The greatest trick the devil ever pulled was convincing the world he didn't exist.
That guy in little clothes.
Ah, F.
Show me the money!
The price is wrong, bitch.
I promise. I'll come back for you.
You make me want to be a better man.
Yeah, baby! From the king of the world!
Define irony.
Son of a bitch. Stole my life.
I'm the dude.
In case I don't see ya. Good afternoon.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? You can do it!
The first rule of Fight Club is you do not talk about Fight Club.
I see death. Dodge this.
If you could just go ahead and make sure you do that from now on, that would be great.
Oh, and this one time at band camp?
Are you not entertained?
You like Huey Lewis on the news?
No, where was I? I have nipples, Greg. Could you milk me?
I'm sorry, Wilson! We can stay up late, swapping manly stories, and in the morning, I'm making waffles.
got a Black Hawk down. We got a Black Hawk down.
You shall not pass!
Really, really, really ridiculously good looking?
I'm watching you, Wazowski.
Now you will see me one more time if you do good.
You're a wizard, Harry.
That's the last time you put a knife in me. Hear me?
7 days. My precious. Hanneman's family.
With great power comes great responsibility.
Fish are friends, not food.
We're going streaking!
You will always remember this as the day that you almost caught Captain Jack.
Santa here? I know him.
It's like I have ESPN or something.
I want to play a game.
You can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball.
60% of the time, it works every time.
Why do I fall in love with every woman I see who shows me the least bit of attention?
No, Kelly Clarkson!
Remember the 5th of November.
Hey, Mom! The meatloaf!
I wish I knew how to quit you.
My name is Borat.
Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe fuck yourself.
I have had it with these motherfucking snakes on this motherfucking plane!
This is Sparta!
Shake